Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amkette XcitePro USB Keyboard. There's an image of this particular USB keyboard right on top. As you can see, it is written it's a stylish keyboard with media control. Basically, it has a lot of media control options. It also comes with a spill resistant design, and it comes with the rupee symbol as well. If you have any more information, we have some information over here like instant media access. Like I said earlier, it comes with multimedia buttons. There's some extra information here: spill resistant design, instant media access and internet, sturdy, modern, elegant design, superior comfort and typing experience, compact design, full-size soft keys, Amkette reliability, plug-and-play USB connection. So I'm going to show this keyboard to you now. Let's open this box. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. This is the keyboard. It's a very lightweight keyboard. It's made out of ABS plastic. Sorry, this is made out of PVC plastic. Actually, it's very solidly built. It's had a very compact form factor. It's flexible as well. You're not going to break this anytime soon. It has a gaming inspired design, which is obvious from the WASD design over here. Different color for the WASD keys right over here. So it'll be, when you want to game, this is a good keyboard to have. Also, this is a full keyboard, which means it comes with 104 keys. You will have the numpad, the directional keys, the home, delete, end, page up, page down button, and also the WASD with a different design. This is a spill resistant design as well, which means that this is usually waterproof. This is not a mechanical keyboard. This is a membrane keyboard, so you will not be able to take these keys out easily. And as mentioned earlier, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 multimedia keys right over here. Now, on the other end, you have this USB-A connector. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this particular keyboard to my laptop, which is right over here. We connect it now. Okay, you heard that tone, which means it's now connected. Let me quickly see if it works. It does work. I will show you how it works. So there you go. I'm just going to do one operation, which is the Windows button. When I press the Windows button, and you can see this, there you go. I'm pressing the Windows button right now. I'll give you a closer look. There you go. I'm going to press the Windows button right now, and you will notice that the start menu comes up right over here. I'll do it again. There you go. You can see the start menu coming up over here. Once again, that's it. I can show you the desktop as well, like so, and back to the monitor, and this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Amkette XcitePro USB keyboard. Thank you for watching.